We are Nomadarte, travelers, photographers, and content creators.
For 7 years, we have been traveling. We travel the world in our van. She's called La Mexicana.
And yes, this is van life.
The most important thing when taking a good picture is to keep your eyes wide open. My name is Gustavo Alonso. I am passionate about photography and video. Traveling, I have found inspiration to show the world every new destination I visit.
I'm Cynthia Games, and I am a content creator. I like to immerse myself in every culture I know, discover new landscape, fall in love with the world,